Welcome to Hydrogen Awakening Knowledge Hub, a place where we explore knowledge, awareness, and powerful ideas that expand thinking and deepen understanding of the world around us. In today's video, we will understand.
India is hosting one of the biggest AI summits in the world right now. And experts have revealed something shocking. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it may never become truly human. Part 1: The Rise of AI. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unbelievable speed. It can write books, drive cars, diagnose diseases, and even create art. Many experts now believe AI could soon become smarter than humans. But here is the big question: if AI can think like humans, can it also become conscious like humans? Part 2: The Hidden Difference. AI processes data, but humans don't just process information. We feel, we experience, we are aware of our own existence. AI has intelligence, but humans have consciousness, and this difference is deeper than we think. Part 3: The Science of Human Energy. The human body is not just biological. It is an energy system. Every cell in our body runs on bioelectricity. And at the core of this energy is the smallest and most powerful element in the universe: hydrogen. Hydrogen powers cellular energy, brain activity, and life itself. AI runs on electricity. Humans run on living energy. This is why AI can simulate thinking, but it cannot generate life. Part 4: Consciousness, the ultimate mystery. Scientists still cannot explain consciousness. Where does awareness come from? How does the brain create the feeling of, I exist? Even the most advanced AI systems have no inner experience. They do not feel. They do not know they exist. They only follow algorithms. But humans possess something beyond logic: self-awareness. Part 5: The Future of Humanity. The future will not be a battle between AI and humans. It will be a partnership. AI will handle intelligence. Humans will bring consciousness. And the real evolution of humanity will come from understanding our own energy nature. Because we are not just biological machines. We are conscious energy systems. So here's the big question for you. Do you believe AI can ever become conscious? Or is human awareness something that technology can never replicate? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you want to explore the science of consciousness, energy, and human evolution, subscribe to Hydrogen Awakening Knowledge Hub.